If you are trying to tune your Zenith Stromberg carburetor, you are likely worried about one thing. Which way do I turn the tool to make it run right? You want to make the mixture richer. Or maybe you need to lean it out. You turn your tool, but the engine just runs the worst. Why? Because on these carburetors, clockwise doesn't always mean richer. If you turn your tool the wrong way, you are moving the internal parts in the wrong direction, and your engine will never run smoothly. In this video, we will clear up the confusion once and for all. I will show you exactly which way to rotate your tool for top adjusting and bottom adjusting Stromberg carburetors, so you can stop guessing and start tuning. Type 1. Top adjusting carburetors. If you have an adjustable needle setup on the top of the carburetor, you are adjusting the position of the fuel needle directly. Clockwise, this moves the needle up. The needle comes out of the jet. The opening gets wider, more fuel flows. A result? A richer mixture. Counterclockwise, this moves the needle down. The needle goes deeper into the jet. The opening gets smaller, less fuel flows. A result? A linear mixture. And type 2, bottom adjusting carburetors. If you're measuring a needle just fixed by the screw into the piston, but you have a large adjustment screw at the bottom of the carburetor, you don't want to mess with this measuring needle position. You are moving the fuel jet, and clockwise this pushes the jet up closer to the measuring needle. The jet gets closer to the needle. The opening gets smaller, less fuel flows. Result: linear mixture. Counterclockwise, this moves the jet down, away from the needle. The opening gets larger, more fuel flows. Result? A richer mixture. Before you turn any tool, you need to know if you need more or less fuel. Use the 1 mm piston lift test. Start the engine and let it reach operating temperature. Use your finger to lift the piston exactly 1 mm and listen if the engine revs up and stays high. It's to reach. You need to lean it out. If the engine stumbles or tries to die, it is too lean. You need to make it richer. Keep this simple rule in your head. Top, adjust clockwise, a richer, counterclockwise, a linear, bottom adjust clockwise, a linear, counterclockwise, a richer. Always make small quarter turn adjustments. Wait 5 seconds for the engine to react after every turn. Do not the direction trap confuse you. Once you identify if your carburetor adjusts from the top or the bottom, you have the power to tune your engine perfectly. Drop a comment below. Do you have a top adjustment or bottom adjustment on your carburetor Stromberg? I'll catch you in the next one on Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Pacific Time. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.